Hey guys, welcome back. It's Friday afternoon and it's a long weekend here in Canada, so we decided we'd just throw some beers in a bag, pack up a few items and get out of here for a bit. So it's just me and the lovely wife, and we got Bonzo back there who's a pain in the ass, but we're bringing him anyways because we love him. So anyways, we'll bring you guys along and we'll go have some fun. Road snacks before we get to our camp spot. So we finally made it to our destination. I think I did make a video of this a long time ago. It's actually an abandoned airstrip. So this is it here. See, there's definitely some campers here this weekend, but that's basically the beginning of the airstrip, and it runs all the way down. See, this is where the planes would turn around. It's this loop here, and then it continues way down. It goes 1 kilometer down to the end. So this is where the planes would actually land. They took the pavement out. This was all paved. They took the pavement out. Look, there's people in the bush. So this was all, last time I was in here, this was all paved. And people camp all through the woods here. People camp on both sides of the airstrip. Fire over there in the woods. You got people setting up camps.
They're waiting
all over the place. So we got some kids running ATVs. It's the perfect place for it. You don't have to worry about fast moving traffic. I guess there's a toll. Maybe he's collecting a toll. Oh, there's the rest of the pavement right behind him.
Is that the end?
Yeah, it goes a little further.
There's a loose dog and a little kid on that side too. Oh, he's on a tree.
So this used to be all paved here, and I guess they've torn it up, probably because some fool in a Cessna tried to land here or something. But these people have turned these all into campsites. This fills right up in the busy months of the summer. But it's pretty remote out here, and you can kind of do what you want. And people come out here, ride their ATVs, and drink a bunch of beer, and then, you know, probably do target practice and all that stuff. Anyways, we're gonna find us a spot to set up camp. Hoping the bugs aren't too bad here. We've already gone to one spot and they were unbearable. I mean, it's the time of year, but we figured we'd keep driving a little longer since they were so bad, and we don't really have a destination. We're just out adventuring around. Right, Stephanie?
Yep.
Not sure if you guys can see those mosquitoes, but they are insane. We've got a nice little spot here, but they're actually finding their way in the van, and well, you can't really go outside because you just get eaten alive. So we're chilling in the van for now. I'm trying to think of where we're gonna go to next. We're just kind of touring around, so we may end up heading out of here. Nice spot though.
Yeah.
Great. If there was no mosquitoes, we would definitely be staying here.
A little bit of wind.
Or a bit of wind, yeah.
Yeah.
Fend them off. But there's a few people camping. Another couple, one site over there that seemed like they were nice people, but we're
happy campers.
Happy campers for sure. But yeah, we're not sure if we're going to be staying or not. Well, welcome to Walmart. We ended up at Walmart. We were touring around last night and found lots of mosquitoes. And actually the mosquitoes were making their way in the van. We had about a dozen of them in here. So I've got a leaking door seal somewhere. Must be anyways. So we toured around a bit more and it was raining, and yeah, we lost a wiper arm. Kind of stripped the spline on the transmission linkage. What are you doing?
Oh.
So
I'm playing.
So yeah, we ended up coming to the closest Walmart in town where there's less mosquitoes, and we're just hanging out here. We slept here. It was nice and quiet. It's not a busy Walmart. It's kind of a smaller town, so not too many other RVs or anything here. So we just picked a spot, quietest spot, near the grass where we could walk Toby, and slept for a bit, and here we are. So I think we're gonna go over to Tim Hortons, grab us a coffee and a sandwich. How do you feel about this, Toby?
As long as he gets the sandwich, he doesn't care.
Toby, stop ignoring me.
He's even huffing.
What are you doing? How do you feel about staying at Walmart? You okay with it? I guess he's okay with it. Anyways, we don't have a view of a lake, but yeah, it's better better than dealing with those mosquitoes. It was pretty bad. So, well, we're gonna pick up our mess here and head out for coffee. There's a few bodies from the
airstrip.
Dead mosquitoes everywhere. It's horrible. Not going back there till they die off, that's for sure. But we will go back. It's a nice spot to be. Heading across the river to visit some friends at the campground. You guys would have seen Darby before. We're going to go say hello to him. Maybe stay for a bonfire. And
his lovely wife.
And his lovely wife, Lindsay, that's right. Well, we ended up on a campground where some friends are staying, and we weren't really supposed to stay the night. We only paid for a day pass, but we didn't feel like leaving, so we're not sure what's gonna happen. But real nice campground. So we're gonna hang out here for the day, and then probably find another spot or head home. It's a long weekend, but I'm not sure if we're gonna be staying out all weekend. Beautiful day though. I think it's supposed to be a high of 27 Celsius today. So we may actually go for a swim finally. The summer has begun, I guess, officially. Had to pick a tick off yesterday, which is kind of annoying, but anyways, time to make some coffee. Good morning.
Morning.
How are you?
Good.
Excellent. How did you sleep?
Good.
Do you want me to spray you down?
I just need to defrizzerize.
Defrizzerize. Is that a word?
I don't know what it is now.
That's awesome.
Alright. Coffee time?
Coffee time. Cheers. How do you like your sausage cooked?
Well cooked. Super well cooked. They're getting that.
All your sausage?
No, just the edible ones.
Bacon and eggs.
It's good.
Just like, who's your friend?
That's Destiny.
She's
guarding.
Oh boy. Darby's got a wife and a girlfriend. I noticed this old Le Mans sitting here. Kind of a waste. Look at how clean this thing is. A little bit of paint bubbling, but even the frame is all there. Jesus, the leather seats. The leather seats are in decent shape. Like, put an LS right in there. I love this old body style. Well, this is it for us, guys. Heading home. Thanks for watching.